Here we have one more example of Hess's law, where the original equation is 3 oxygens yields 2 ozone molecules, and here's the delta H for this reaction. The question is, what would the delta H be if the reaction were O3 yields 3 over 2 oxygens, or O2? So first of all, here's the original equation. 3 O2s yields 2 O3s, and here's the delta H for that equation. Notice that the O3 needs to be reversed to the reactant side in order to make O3 yields 3 over 2 O2. So I need to reverse this reaction, and by reversing this reaction, so this needs to be reversed, and when I reverse this reaction, it means we have to change this sign to be the opposite, and so now we have this equation. So here's the reaction reversed, and we've changed the sign from positive to negative. Now, notice that the coefficient in front of O3 is a 1, whereas here we have a coefficient of 2. So we're going to need to multiply this by 1/2 in order to make it equal to 1. However, you don't just multiply this coefficient, you multiply the entire equation as well as the delta H by 1/2. And so when we do that, we get this. So now we have 1/2 times 2O3, and this of course is equal to 1 when you simplify it, yields 1/2 times 3O2. And so we're going to multiply the delta H by 1/2 as well. This simplifies down to be 1O3. This becomes 3 over 2 oxygen. And then my delta H, when I take half of negative 284.6, I get negative 142.3, which is equal to letter C.